Inside Lionel Messi'S $80 million Miami properties, a tour of luxury. Imagine waking up to panoramic ocean views and the soft hues of Miami's skyline bathing your home in golden light. Lionel Messi'S $80 million Miami properties are more than homes. They're a harmonious blend of elegance, innovation, and unparalleled exclusivity. Prepare to immerse yourself in the height of luxury. Each room showcases impeccable craftsmanship and world-class design. Marble-finished floors, floor-to-ceiling glass walls, and custom furnishings reflect modern luxury at its finest. The open layouts create a seamless flow between spaces, making the homes perfect for relaxation or entertaining guests in style. From infinity pools overlooking the ocean to private spa retreats and state-of-the-art fitness centers, Messi'S properties are tailored to a lifestyle of indulgence. Exclusive features like wine cellars, high-tech home automation systems, and private cinema rooms emphasize sophistication at every turn. Nestled in Miami's most prestigious locations, these properties offer unparalleled vistas of the Atlantic Ocean and the vibrant cityscape. Expansive balconies and rooftop terraces provide the perfect setting to savor sunsets, entertain guests, or simply escape into serenity. Lionel Messi'S Miami properties redefine what it means to live the high life. Experience an elite world where every detail is meticulously curated to elevate your lifestyle. This is more than a glimpse inside Messi'S world. It's an invitation to aspire higher. Own the dream. Contact our luxury real estate partners today and take your first step toward a truly extraordinary way of life. The keys to your dream are waiting. Unlock them now.